Hi there, Andrea here from Link. Today I'm going to show you how to add videos without using YouTube here in Clickfunnels 2.0. So some people have been asking how to do that, and it seems to be a little bit confusing because we do have to follow a certain order of steps, and it's not difficult, but yeah, if you don't follow the order, it can become a little bit confusing. So I'm just going to run through the steps so you can see here. For the purpose of this video, I just created this page here, and I called No YouTube. So the only thing you're going to see here is actually one video element because it's for this one lesson. So let's dive in here. So when you go on the video element, you click here on this on the gear settings, and then you see here where it says video URL. That's where we're going to have to add the URL for our video. So now we're going to go back here out of this funnel, and then you click on this settings on the little gear here at the bottom, and then you click on my assets. Then here on my assets, you go to course videos. In course videos, you're going to click on upload course video. Even if your video is not about a course, you still click in there because that's where all the video things happen. So you go here, look, this page, all you have to do here is to add a name for your video, download your video here and download an image for your thumbnail. It will be like a cover for your video. So first things first, let's go and browse the files. I'm just gonna grab this video that I have in here already in my files, and you're going to upload it. So as you can see here, this is slowly filling up the whole circle around here, and that's how you know when it has been all uploaded. It's going to turn light green as well in here. So we just wait a little while, but in the meantime, you can also see here the percentage that it has been uploading. But in the meantime, we're just going to go ahead and find the thumbnail for this video. So then that button will take you here where you have all your assets. These are all images. So you can either grab one from your images here, or you can click here to upload from your computer. You see, it can be from there. I already have this picture here, so I'm just going to go and grab it from here. So as you can see, it has already uploaded here quite quickly. So then next thing I'm going to do is to put a name for this video. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to add the No YouTube tutorial, so it doesn't get mixed up with my other videos. Right, so here as you can see, it has uploaded already. It was quite quickly. So we have our image there and we have our video here. So what we're going to do now is to click here on the upload course video. And then we just need to wait for it to process. You see, it goes here and starts circling this little icon here. And it can take a little while. Like that video is about 5 to 7 minutes. So it's going to be a little while. So I'm just going to cut it here or speed forward. Okay, when you see here that the processing is taking a bit too long, what you can do is just click away from that video and then just go back in there and see if it has finished. Hello again. So here we are with the video has uploaded here and the thumbnail is in there. So our next step now is to copy the address for the video. You see here it says copy video address. So you're going to right click on your mouse and just copy the video address. So what I like to do here is to just have a little note on the side. Let me just grab it over here. So if I say video, so here is my paste. I'm pasting the the address, and then I'm going to do the same with the thumbnail. So I click on the right click and then copy the image address, then go back to my note here, and then this one here is the image. So paste in there. So now what I'm going to do is I'll go back to that funnel, to that page where we have our work. What is it here? And then I'm just going to copy the address from the video first. Remember to get the video first, okay? So then you go here on the settings for the video, and remember why we used to put the URL for videos is the same place. So you just paste it in there. And when you do that, you notice that it's opening another URL here. So what you do, you paste there the same one again. Here and there, they are the same, okay? But you see, nothing has shown here. Although the video is there, it's not showing. So what you need to do now is to put your image. You need to bring your thumbnail. So I'm going to go back down on our notes, remember? And then I'm going to copy this address in there. Copy. And then I'm going to paste it in there. Can you see it says start image URL? So that's where you go. You see? And just like that, it is showing there now. So we save it. And then now you can view it. So when you view your video, you're going to notice that it have a little frame around it. See? So what happens is it comes with the frame. I don't know how to take the frame out or even how to change the color. So I guess if this bothers you, you just contact Clickfunnels 2.0 support and you talk about that. But because it didn't bother me, I just didn't do that. So I'm okay with this the way it is, okay? So but the best thing about this is like when you come to an end here, your video is about to end, uh, you're just going to see your own things in there. You see, while on YouTube, sometimes when you finish watching a video, it gives, look, this is my video that I have another one on YouTube. So when you come to an end there, what happens is it features other people's things on it, and you don't want to have this on your funnel because it doesn't look very professional, isn't it? I think it looks messy. So if you want to have just like we had it in here, you know, like the video is finished and that's all. You can even have just like a blank page at the end, or I don't know. I just like the way it is. So you see, the whole video is there. It took just a few minutes to do it, really. So there you have it. So this is how you add videos in ClickFunnels 2.0 without using YouTube. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and sign up for my channel. This is my first tutorial, but I'm planning to put here more about ClickFunnels and some very nice artificial intelligence tools and things in this world of funnels that we like so much. So thank you so much again for being here, and I'll see you on the next video.